Recently, I was asked by someone why their iPhone wasn't automatically software updating. So, one issue that can happen is that you go to this and it just doesn't update because if you're not connected to Wi-Fi over here and you're always just connected to mobile data, I think it won't automatically update. It'll it'll probably need a Wi-Fi connection to do any type of automatic iOS update. So here, if I go to customize automatic updates, you can see over here to download iOS updates, iPhone will automatic download updates over Wi-Fi. They don't have an option for cellular data. So that's one issue. So if it can't even download the update, it can't automatically update itself without the download. Second is over here under install iOS update. Automatically install software updates overnight after they have been downloaded. You will receive a notification before updates are installed. Your phone must be charging. So I guess it won't automatically do it. It'll always receive a notification before it gets installed. So that's good. At least you receive a notification. I'm not sure what that notification is, but so there it is. If you're only on mobile data, your phone probably won't automatically install iOS software firmware updates. You'll have to manually do it yourself by going into settings. Go into settings and then go into general and go into software update, and that's it. Voila.